Hello fellow YouTubers, my name's Craig Smith. I'm a songwriter musician and I also love to build handmade one-of-a-kind instruments. Here is my mandolin. When I say handmade, I mean every piece of this build is handmade except for the frets, tuner heads, strings, and electronics that I used. All of my mandolins have handmade necks, bridges, and tailpiece, and they're all custom built for the customer. My mandolins are dug out from the log, breaking away from the modern archtop design. The neck is made up of mahogany and curly maple. After the glue is dried, the neck is cut out, shaped, and drilled for the machine heads. Then it's sanded. It is now ready to be mortised to the bowl body. Then the body and the neck is drilled to accept a lathe-turned dowel of black walnut. Then the dowel is inlaid with mother of pearl. The soundboard is one piece, not book matched, to get the width needed. The soundboard is hand-planed mahogany. After planing, I cut out for the elf holes and electronics. The tailpiece is sawed out of mahogany. Then it is shaped, drilled, and inlaid with mother of pearl. Then the end is steel reinforced to accept ball-end strings. This makes stringing the mandolin so much easier. The electronics are a single coil pickup with volume and tone controls and a plug. The pickup cover is quarter sawn mahogany. It is cut out, shaped, drilled, and inlaid with mother of pearl. For the bowl on my mandolins, it all starts with a well-seasoned log. For this model I used a log that I had seasoning for more than 15 years. The well-seasoned log is hollowed out to a 3/8 thickness. Once the log is hollowed out, it is mortised to the body. The lathe-turned black walnut dowel is then installed through the neck and the body. This ensures the neck will never move, therefore there is no need for a truss bar or rod. The way the neck is mortised deep into the body of the bowl, it sends vibrations deep into the bowl. Most mandolins are so choked down in the thickness of the body, they need a sound post to help stabilize and project sound. My mandolin has no need for a sound post. The depth of the body makes this instrument sing out with great tone and projection. The bottom inside is drilled and inset for the plug to fasten. The bowl is taped off and the inside is sprayed with several coats of polyurethane for protection from moisture and hardness. The fingerboard is made out of rosewood with a beautiful grain. It is fretted with mandolin frets and I inlaid with mother of pearl dots. My mandolins have a wider neck and fingerboard. I made it wider for larger hands and ease of playing. I got tired of clunking strings on regular mandolins. The bridge is made out of curly maple. It is handmade, not store-bought like every other mandolin you see. It is offset for perfect intonation. The nut is a piece of moose antler that I cut, shaped, and slotted for the strings. can't beat bone for transferring sound. Then, after the mandolin is assembled, and after lots and lots of sanding, I sprayed it with 8 coats of instrument grade lacquer. Then I installed classic mother of pearl 14:1 tuner heads. The quality of the wood, design, and depth of the bowl makes this mandolin sing out like no other. And that's not counting the multitude of tones that can be achieved by running it through various software programs like Gearbox and other plug-in effects. All of my mandolins are custom built for the buyer. Prices depend on what the buyer wants, like types of wood, tuner heads, pickups, inlays, and electronics used in the build that the buyer picks out during planning. This mandolin is truly one of a kind. Well, I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, just give me a like and please share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be showing more videos on more of my instruments that I make and will be making in the future. Thanks, YouTubers.